Last time on the Lazy Geckos. We took you to a little island off the California coast where we explored and discovered all we could about this amazing location. Then we took you aboard a 1970s trimaran for a beautiful sail around this remote West Coast destination. Hotel Del for 2 nights. We thought we'd stay here because it's beautiful, a lot of history here, and we really wanted to show you guys. This is our second time staying here, and it does not
disappoint.
It doesn't disappoint. So right now we have like downtime. We're not seeing any boats today. That's tomorrow. So we're gonna go day drink, and he's already drinking back there. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Last time, I already told you the story about last time. You saw that. Check out Vimeo.
I don't know. I've been recording though.
You're annoying. We are at the Hotel Del.
Yeah.
We were here many years ago. Now we have a baby, so day drinking is a little different.
Well, we day drink during nap time.
Yes, so we're like nap time, go to the bar.
Yeah.
But we looked outside and noticed there were a bunch of sailboats.
Like 1,000 sailboats.
Yeah, and it's something called like the rum run or the hot rum run.
Yeah.
I Googled it, and our plan is to kind of, and it was your idea, to kind of do like a race and film it for you guys. It was just super intimidating to me. Because
What are you talking about?
Like a regatta.
We're going on America's Cup.
Oh, an America's Cup.
Yeah. I think we're going to go on one of these charters with America's Cup boat. That's tight, and you get to work it. That's cool.
You really don't realize how much sailing is in other parts of the world, and everybody's like Florida, 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 which we were too. But now that we're out there, we're really seeing that sailing.
Dude, there's 1,000 boats out here right now, like sailboats. I've never seen that anywhere else.
Sailing in a whole new light. And
yeah, it's awesome.
It seems like I think Florida's more like leisure and island hopping, and kind of like throwing back some beers and hanging out listening to music, where here there's actually like these groups and people doing things and a big community of it all coming together to do it. So it's really
awesome.
Cool.
So right now we're just going to drink.
We were trying to like play with the cameras, so Jeremiah made me take many drinks.
Yeah, I was trying to do a slow motion shot, and I was like, take a drink. Okay, take another drink. And then
so I kind of feel a little like, woo-hoo. You got me drunk. You got me drunk.
So the actual bar itself is older than the hotel. And what I mean by that is when they were building the hotel, the bar was in an establishment in Philadelphia. So they went over there, literally dismantled it, numbered it, put it on a ship, sent it down along both coasts of North America, South America, back up the coast to California. Now,
Yeah, they had to go around.
yeah, the Panama Canal was not there. These are like the original hand-carved
Yeah.
columns.
Okay.
The bar itself on the bottom, it's one continuous piece of wood that was carved out. Like a door like this that has all the details, those are the original doors. And anything that has like intricate carving or extra detail to the door or to the columns are going to be original. So that's the history of the bar, my dear.
He's up.
Yeah.
Here we go. Whoop. Yeah. Alright, well, I just walked up 4 flights of stairs to come get the mic that we forgot, so this is what happens when you retire from the Marine Corps. You get fat and disgusting and out of shape, and winded when you walk up 4 flights of stairs. Okay, situation. Brittany's taking a shower, I think. She's been in there forever. I don't know if anybody else's women spend hours in the shower, but mine does. I don't know what she does in there. Problem is, I've run out of scotch. So I'm wagering that I can get Brittany to give me a glass of scotch if I'm real nice. Let's see. Honey? Honey?
Yes.
Oh, you ready for bed?
Almost.
I was wondering if maybe you could get me a glass of scotch.
It's right there. Let me get that for
Yeah. Oh, man. Thank you.
you. Placement.
We reserved a spot on an America's Cup boat called Stars and Stripes. Let's see what this is all about. next time on the Lazy Geckos.
Yeehaw!
We get busy aboard this awesome America's Cup racing boat. Then we take you into Southern California's wine country for a tasting and a tour of an amazing winery. Thank you, patrons. This is all possible thanks to you. Thank you to all who have donated through PayPal. Want more craziness? Try us out on Vimeo.